I'd like to share my review on this dog floating ramp. And so you have 2 anchor points on the bottom, so you could just anchor this in the water. As you can see, it's got a nice distance as far as in the water so that the dogs can walk right up this. It's also got nice padding right here, which will be a great non-slip. And then you've got a couple anchor points here so that you could anchor it to something like what we have behind us, or the back of a boat or something like that. With it also comes the pump. So you want to pump it up between 5 and 7 PSI. It did not take long at all. You also have a strap, so when you deflate this, you can just roll it up and actually stick it in a backpack. So I was really impressed by this. It's a great way to carry it if you're going to be deflating and traveling with this as well. And then you have some rope to help with anchoring it down or tying it to something. So let's see how the dogs like it.
Oh, see, I told you it worked. I told you. I told you.
Now for our senior dog. She is 11 and having a harder time climbing up on things, so I was super happy to see that she was able to climb up into the paddle boat through this dog ramp. And she's about 80 pounds.